Do you want to learn how to write a better marketing copy as quickly as possible? Do you need to be a writer to write a perfect copy? Or how can you write a powerful marketing copy even if you have very little experience? And today I want to share with you some of the most effective strategies that I use to write powerful marketing copy that get clicks and get people to buy. Now, these strategies are beginner friendly and easy to implement even if you have no experience in copywriting. The first strategy that I have for you is to find your inspiration in Google. So what you want to do is to type in the specific topics that you want to know about and then go through the title that comes out on the first page of Google. Pay attention to the blog post that talks about your topic and website that offer similar products and services. Secondly, I want you to copy down all this title or headline that grabs your attention, make some tweak, and voila, you have just completed the headline for your marketing copy. It doesn't end here. I want you to go into the website or articles, go through the content, see which part of sentences captures your attention, and then you can take it as a reference, compile it, rearrange the content, edit based on your need, and now you will have a marketing copy that is ready to go. Now, please take note that do not copy and paste the exact same information that you can find on the web. Instead, you want to use that as a source of inspiration so that you can come out with something that is more authentic, that is suitable for your own product and services. This is what we call the creative copywriting, not a copy and paste writing. Now, the next strategy that I have for you is to learn how to leverage on the marketplace, such as Amazon, eBay, Shopee, ClickBank, JVZoo, and places or websites that have the same category of products and services that you offer. So pay attention to these best-selling products, those that with highest review, and pay attention to the earnings per click, right? So these are the products that usually have high converting copy, and it could also be written by some of the best copywriters in the world. So find out how do they write about the product, the services, how do they write about the pain point, how do they deliver the solution and the problems, the headline, and of course the description. Say for example, if I'm looking to write about my upcoming leadership course, alright, I will go to Amazon and type in leadership book. So this leadership book will appear on the first page, and what I do is I'll look at the title that attracts me, and then I'll use that as a inspiration, edit it and tweak it from there. Go through the synopsis of the books, see if the description is something that is resonant with you so that you can use it later. Now, the same thing goes to ClickBank or JVZoo. So what you want to do is to go to these places. These are two affiliate marketplaces where the vendor publish their digital products and the affiliate will go there, select the products, and then sell it to their subscribers. And I tell you, they have a lot of a very good copy right there for almost all the products that you can find. So go through that, JVZoo and ClickBank. Now, in some cases, you may not be able to find those that is relevant to the marketplace. So what you can do is to check out your competitors' website, sign up for their newsletter, alright, be in the loop of what they are posting, what they send out, so that you can get the latest update, and then you collect information for you to use as your own marketing materials. Now, the third strategy that I have for you is to use this formula. It's called the HPSA formula. H means the hook, P stands for problem, S stands for solution, and A stands for action. So let's talk about the first H. Now, the hook usually appears in the headline or as an introduction of the copy. So this is where you give the promises and the ultimate benefit for the customers in the beginning. So think about what is the one big promises that your customer will get. Example, how to 10x your productivity with only half of your effort. How to generate unlimited leads in just 3 clicks. Learn how to make money from the stock market even when the market is falling. Next is the problem. What are the problems that your customers are facing? What is their pain point? How bad it is? What is the consequence if they do not use your product? What have they tried previously and why do they fail? after trying and struggling for so long. So really understand from their standpoint of view, empathize and feel for them. This is critical because without understand the market's problem, you will not be able to market and sell your products and services that effective. Now the third is the solution. Very straightforward, but most people miss this. So what is so damn good about your product? The reason I use so damn good is an expression for us to think deeply and thoroughly. Why should people buy from you? So do you agree with me that nowadays most of the USP are no longer a USP? So say your product can improve an individual health and fitness, but hey, so does the 1,000 products out there in the market, right? Or say your program can help other people to achieve X, Y, Z, so does the other 100 programs out there in the market. So you get my point. What do you want to do is to go deep, go all the way down and think through the process and ask why you, why not someone else. Then comes to the action part. Action simply means your CTA, or we call it call to action. Every marketing piece must have a call to action. Your product, your Facebook ads, the description in your Facebook page, your email, your social media posts, you must have a call to action. So what action do you want them to take after looking at your marketing piece? Sign up for a free trial session, download your apps, get them to buy something, click to book an appointment, or share and like in your comments. So remember, every marketing must have a call to action to transition them from visitors to leads to becoming your customers. So in summary, I've just shared with you some of the main 3 strategies that I use, and you can use that as well to help you to write a better marketing copy. So the first strategy again is to leverage on Google for inspiration. Go through the content, look at the headline and the website. Second strategy is to go to marketplace, look at their sales copy, go through the best-selling products, look at what headlines and description and how do they write. And strategy number 3, use the HPSA formula to help you to get a better copy. So that is all for today's video. Now I want you to leave a comment and tell me what do you think and what are the methods that you use to help you to write a better copy for your products and services. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe, like, comment and share, and I really appreciate anything that you do. So until next time, my name is Alex Ang and I wish you have a wonderful week and a great life ahead, and I see you on the next video.